on 30th of January, the 75th anniversary of the day we lost Mahatma Gandhi, the day Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated. On that day, Sri Rahul Gandhi's Padayatra will culminate in Srinagar, where he will launch the national flag and the party flag in the Congress office in Srinagar, and simultaneously every party office across the country will join him in flying the national and party flags and to commemorate Mahatma Gandhi, the founder of our nation. Now, I have also been on the Bharat Jodo Yatra. Throughout, people are inspired by the example of Sri Rahul Gandhi healing and uniting the nation at a time when the Prime Minister, the BJP and the RSS are dividing the country on the basis of religion and language and caste and whatever other division language that they can find. Now, we have been very, very happy that the people of India have experienced the Bharat Jodo Yatra, but this 135-day Yatra is not able to go to every nook and corner, to every village of this country. Therefore, Sri Rahul Gandhi has announced the launch of a brand new campaign which will start tomorrow on Republic Day and run for one whole month. This is a campaign called the Haath se Haath Jodo Yatra. The Haath se Haath, one side, one side. But this Haath se Haath Jodo Yatra is going to involve every member of the Congress, and every member of the Congress is going to go to India's lakhs and lakhs of villages, and we are going to talk to the people of India. We are going to explain to them what the mission of the Bharat Jodo Yatra was and why it was needed at this time. But along with this, we are going to explain to the people of India why the government has been really failing in its responsibility to build and take India forward.